Hello everyone. Today I discuss one of the most important topic on how we can heal in the relationship. And from long time I observed I didn't discuss about the healing procedure, but this time I go very deeper inside the healing procedure. Why? Because from our childhood there is a lot of trauma, lot of blockages, lot of things will happen in our life. If you start the healing procedure in our life, it feel you can rectify one by one blockages of your own emotions, and you can come and you can explore your life 100%. Otherwise, if you are blocking a lot of issues in your relationships, it will affect you not to overcome certain situations, and you are in the cycle of trauma, and you unable to overcome some situations. Okay, in this procedure, first we can dig deep into the pain and the division of relationship, and here we discuss about what are the causes of your sufferings. Make a list of things which you have sufferings lot in your relationship. First you need to aware of what exactly your sufferings, and where exactly your suffering is going on, where exactly your emotional state is going down, and how you are not overcoming certain situations, and where exactly it is happening. If you know clearly about these things, and you need to be accountability, you need to take your own accountability of your own suffering. Lot of times we blame others for our suffering. Our partner is not treating me well, and our family members are not treating well, and environment is not taking me well. Like that we keep on blaming all the people's action. But now I am telling here, we need to accountable for our own suffering, so that you can aware and you can able to put some energy to rectify those things. If you are in blame game, you become blame, and every time you are into that cycle. That is one of the important thing we need to consider here. And here I already told, healing broken relationships starts with ownership. We need to, how we are contributing problems in relationships we need to make, and making conscious effort to change. Okay, we need to, lot of times we are not conscious of our change. Somebody will come and somebody will do that response. Somebody need to change every time. Somebody need to make everything happen for you. That is not the reason. Main thing, we are conscious about our change. We need to conscious, and we need to have genuine feeling. Towards healing procedure. In healing procedure, we are the one thing. We need to aware of the thing. We need to know clearly deeper inside. In my sessions I will tell where exactly the healing procedure, where exactly the mental blockages, and how from our childhood to until now, where exactly we are feeling literally inside, and how we need to make self talk. What is our inner voice, what is our little voice saying every time to me, is one of the important thing we need to go in the healing procedure. It will take complete one day session to make each and every module in the healing procedure. that we can do in my classes. But these are the important things we need to consider. Have a genuine awareness of your own feelings. That is one thing we need to consider here. And self reflection and creating self reflection and creating healing procedure. Self reflection, we need to know what some practices we need to follow. Some practices are writing general, own awareness, meditation, and putting your time in nature, putting your hobbies towards yourself. Hobbies, what are the best hobbies, how you are making awareness day by day. It is from our birth to until now, this period of time, we are in the reprogramming of our childhood traumas, adult, in our growing environment. Lot of things will be reprogrammed in our brain. So what we need to do is we need to make sure conscious about our awareness in the healing procedure. Take accountability of your consciousness of your own thoughts, so that you can able to overcome those things. That is one of the important thing we need to practice. Break the cycles, break the cycles, and hurt and building trust. Okay, here here we need to break our regular loop of regular practice of our life. We need to make new habit, new thought, new way of healing procedure, new way of awareness, new way of conscious thoughts towards yourself. And you need to practice new things in your life to go towards the healing procedures. It will not happen on the day itself. It will take certain period of time. You need to increase your vibration, your frequency towards that goal. And from your heart, from your brain, you need to come out of each and every blockages, and you can overcome those things. These things will help you to come out of these procedures actually. And these are the things required to come out of that healing procedure. Okay, in my classes I clearly make sure all the healing procedures and come out of those things, and make yourself come out of healing. And we need to have some actionable steps towards in that healing procedure, and we can do step by step every day in the relationships. I'm doing especially the healing procedure for working couples, because they are doing work in their family. They need to balance each other. Okay, in my webinar I conduct this one. Okay, and right now I'm giving a free absolute one-to-one free clarity calls. The things are in description below. And this is it for today. And thank you very much those who are watching me on my YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and podcast as well. And thank you very much for all the people who ever encouraging me in this beautiful journey of this relationship and its healing procedures. And a lot of people are commenting, a lot of people are watching, and lot of people telling what are the things required. I'm really thankful for the people who ever doing that thing. And thank you very much for the people. And I will share all the things description below. You, if you are interested, you can join me on one-to-one free absolute clarity calls. And thank you all, thank you.